Right. Makes sense.
I
I mean, you got them that's gonna try to push it. Let me push my luck. Let me see if I can just get by.
Hey, guess what? Hey, if they wanna, hey, they making emotional decisions. Hey, when you deal with information, take emotions out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't nobody trying to test to want to go to jail. I don't see no nigga want to test, like, deliberately test to go to jail.
Yeah.
Not one. Nigga gonna be like, hey boy, you gonna drive out that motherfucker? Hey boy, ain't no other way you go back that motherfucker? I don't know nobody who finna be like, I'm still finna ride through that bitch. You just stupid.
Just a crash. The crash dummy.
You know what I'm saying?
Fucking crash dummies.
So for the nigga who got the paper, you know what I'm saying? Or one or two things, a nigga ain't never had paper before like that. Nigga enjoying themselves. Sometimes you gotta, ain't no nigga never had no bag and fuck a bag up.
Yeah.
Cause when you get the bag, you gonna fuck it up.
Yeah.
Unless you just got continued success, you'll never get it. You just got so much you just can't fuck the bag up. You see what I'm saying?